The reason you're not making sales is not because of your product. It's because of you. You're the problem. Let me explain. How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. Today, I'm going to talk about how to market and sell your products on your social channels with Beacons. Let me know if this sounds familiar. You created an amazing digital product. It's perfect, extravagant, everything you thought it would be, and you're sure it's going to make you so much money. But then, trust me, this happens a lot, and the sole reason is that you're not marketing it right. People need to hear about this product. They must want it. It needs to be easy for them to get. Lucky for you, Beacons has everything you need to promote and sell your products all in one place. Let me show you how. Head into Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Store. Now go to your digital product that you want to market and you'll see this big blue button that says Promote. Once you click that, you'll get this pop-up with 3 different options to promote. Let's start off on the left. This may seem obvious, but make sure your product is in your link in bio. You want to make it easy for your customers to view and buy your products, so click Add. Here you can adjust the description and button text to really make it stand out. You can be creative here. Next, click on Layouts and customize how the product block will look. We offer different layouts to make your product stand out or to showcase multiple different products. You also have the option to keep it hidden, but up to you. Adjust the card padding and hide the prices if you like. Change the header and description. And lastly, you can add a post-purchase email, but we'll get into that later. Next option on the list is generating a social post so you can spread the word on your channels. Go ahead and click generate and you'll have multiple options to choose from. Whether it's an IG story or post, a TikTok story, Twitter post, or even Facebook and LinkedIn. And of course, you can change the background colors to match your product and brand. Press download and you can share directly to your channels here. If you have an email list, you can generate a perfectly curated email for your subscribers. These people have opted in for more content from you, so utilize that and market to their inbox directly. Press generate email and boom. Look at that email. Hours of work done in literally less than 10 seconds. You can change the style here or press customize broadcast and use it as a starting point. We have so many tools and options to help you start monetizing your content today. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. And while you're at it, check out our other apps. Make sure to check out other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright y'all, see you next time.